Welcome to Elementary Cubby. Today, we're going to say our letter sounds. Let's say them together. A says A, like apple and ambulance, apple and ambulance. A says A, like apple and ambulance. B says B, like balloons and boogers, balloons and boogers. B says B, like balloons and boogers. C says K, like cats and car, cats and car. C says K, like cats and car. D says D, like dirty diaper, dirty diaper. D says D, like dirty diaper. E says E, like eggs and eggplant, eggs and eggplant. E says E, like eggs and eggplant. F says F, like frog and fire, frog and fire. F says F, like frog and fire. G says G, like game and gummy bears, game and gummy bears. G says G, like game and gummy bears. H says H, like hats and hamburgers, hats and hamburgers. H says H, like hats and hamburgers. I says I, like igloo and iguana, igloo and iguana. I says I, like igloo and iguana. J says J, like juggle and jellyfish, juggle and jellyfish. J says J, like juggle and jellyfish. K says K, like keys and koala, keys and koala. K says K, like keys and koala. L says L, like lions and limousine, lions and limousine. L says L, like lions and limousine. M says like monkeys and money, monkeys and money. M says like monkeys and money. N says like narwhal and noodles, narwhal and noodles. N says like narwhal and noodles. O says aw, like octopus and olives, octopus and olives. O says aw, like octopus and olives. P says P, like pickles and pizza, pickles and pizza. P says P, like pickles and pizza. Q says Qu, like question and quarters, question and quarters. Q says Qu, like question and quarters. R says like rockets and robot, rockets and robot. R says like rockets and robot. S says like snake and saxophone, snake and saxophone. S says like snake and saxophone. T says T, like tiger and treasure, tiger and treasure. T says T, like tiger and treasure. U says like umbrella and underwear, umbrella and underwear. U says like umbrella and underwear. V says V, like vomit and vampire, vomit and vampire. V says V, like vomit and vampire. W says W, like windows and watermelon, windows and watermelon. W says W, like windows and watermelon. X says X, like at the end of box and fox, box and fox. X says X, like at the end of box and fox. Y says Y, like yellow and yo-yo, yellow and yo-yo. Y says y like yellow and yo-yo. Z says z like zipper and zebra, zipper and zebra. Z says z like zipper and zebra. Thank you for watching. Check the links in the description below for more great videos.